It's a Whirlpool. You have to take these two screws out, pull out the vent in order to get the top off and get this assembly off. And there's a belt that wraps around the tumbler. That belt's going to need to be replaced. I just blew the whole motor out. I need to blow out a little more dirt that just came out from the tumbler. Blew it all out. Man, there's a lot that needs to be done on this thing, but it can be fixed. Okay, so the first triangle pushes into this back groove. Okay, so I'm starting with replacing the wheels. I'm going to put some of this lube on the wheel and put it on. Okay, the wheel is lubed. Okay. And the tolerances are super tight, but yeah, that's how that goes on. Okay, and next, this little rectangular, it's not a, this little rectangular plastic deal here. And you guys can see the groove right here that it'll fit into. It takes both hands, so I couldn't tape it, but put this triangular part in the groove and then take a flat top screwdriver and just bring this over the top. And the tolerances are pretty tight, which is good. Bring that wheel right up there. And then next is this guy. This right on here. Okay guys, I just lubed this guy up. Okay, get the lube in there. Okay guys, and I just push these guys on with a pair of pliers. Boom. The old wheels, pretty thrashed.